Hello, my name is Violet Bank. I am a property investor here in the UK. I specialize in buying properties below market value at auction, and I also buy directly from the vendor. So today, what do we have for you? We have been asked by you, lovely viewers, to talk about bridging loan. Now, bridging loan, I'm going to tell you all about it because I've been through it. And this channel is transparent, and I'm just going to put it all out there for you to go do your own research. Bridging loan, is it for you? Who needs it? What do you need it for? This video is supposed to cover all that put together. Let's get right into it. So, who needs a bridging loan? What might you need it for? And is it for everybody? No. A bridging loan is for somebody who is investing in a property but does not have the money to put into purchasing the property outright. You might have your money in a property, in your first residential property, or you might be looking forward to remortgaging your property and you don't have the money, you don't have the funds just yet. Or you want to buy a property at auction. You need a bridging loan because auction purchase, albeit an online purchase or as against the traditional auction purchase, the timelines are quite slim. So you will need extra quick cash to be pumped into that purchase, and that's what you need a bridging loan for. So as a newbie in property investment, bridging loan is not a type of loan that you will want to use outside of this area. So if you want to refurbish, also you need a bridging loan that could do very quickly for you. After you use the property, after you use the bridging loan, you then pay back the bridging loan company. I'm not going to throw names around about bridging loan companies. I'm very sure there is a new app in town called Google that can tell you which of these bridging loan companies you can actually use. It just depends on what you are looking for. Again, another thing you should look out for in your search for a bridging loan company is the interest rate that they are offering. Some interest rate varies from 9.2% to 10%, 11%, 12%, or even 13%. It all depends on what you're looking for. I will advise you to search, go shop around till you find what is right for your business and what's right for you. So with regards to the interest, what the bridging loan companies will advise you is or the options that they will have for you is, would you like to pay your interest as a rolled over interest? This is an interest that you accrue for the whole length of the bridging loan term, say for 12 months, for 6 months, whatever term you've agreed to have the bridging loan for. If you roll it over, that means, for instance, you needed a bridging loan, 80% loan to value, 75% loan to value, whatever you say you needed from the bridging loan company, they give you that money rolled over. They add the 13% interest on top of that. You pay nothing monthly for the whole 12 months you have the loan for, and when you pay them back at the end of the 12 months, you pay them the original £100,000 that you borrowed plus the 13% added to it. So at the end of the day, you have so much more to pay as against a retained interest payment. And a retained interest payment is, for instance, you need £120,000 from a bridging loan company plus interest, all in, but you decide for them to take their interest off that 120,000 from day one. So instead of you to get the 120,000 towards the purchase of the property, you get less that because you have already paid off the interest before you even got the money. For me, I feel this is a lot better than rollover and also paying monthly, because paying monthly, which is the third option of paying the interest, is for me, it's a bit too much because you just got a bridging loan to purchase a property which is below market value that you intend to do up, spend more money. So you're spending money in my own words, you're hemorrhaging money every month, and paying monthly bridging loan interest rate is not really ideal, because you are refurbishing, you are spending money while you are having the loan. So monthly repayment is a no-no. So I'll normally will go for my retained. I get the bridging loan, they take their interest before I even get the money. From day one, I get the money less of the interest that I have paid. So if I'm expecting 100,000 and interest works out to be 20,000, I'll get 80,000 from day one. But that doesn't mean I owe them 80. I owe them 100, because I've already paid the interest from the day one when I got the money. So that's about bridging loan. Now at the end of the whole 12 months term, you want to pay them back, and for some reason things didn't work out. You kind of got lost and you couldn't pay them back. During the application for the bridging loan company will ensure to secure their money. They will make you sign a personal guarantee. I know lots of people love to buy properties under a limited company, which is the best thing to do anyway. So though the limited company absorbs the liabilities for you, the bridging loan company will ensure that you also guarantee the funds personally. It's called a PG, a personal guarantee. So you personally guaranteeing the repayment of that loan whilst you're using the money. Plus the fact that they ensure that you sign a first charge of that property you've just purchased or you're about to purchase with the bridging loan funds. They're going to make you sign over to them, give them a first charge of the property. Like I said, shit happens. You disappear, things happen, you go to Bahamas, wherever you want to go with the money. You just decide, I'm not doing any property investment anymore. I've got all this money, I just disappear. No problem. The bridging loan company, they got access to the property that you just purchased because they made you sign first charge to them. They will come, sell the property, even though the GDV of that property would have been, say, £50,000 profit. The bridging loan company don't give a toss. They will sell it below market value for another property investor to buy like me. So they'll sell it below market value as long as the cost, the below market value cost covers the loan that they've given you. So B1 is a facility for a purpose. Don't go crazy getting a bridging loan and going to throwing parties and the rest of it. But that's besides the point. So there is a facility out there for you. You don't have to be rich. You don't have to be a millionaire to do this. It is available to you. You don't even need to have a perfect credit rating. You're buying this under a limited company, which I believe you're doing, and you should be covered. So are you out there looking for a bridging loan? Do you have any questions about bridging loan? Do you still want to get a bridging loan for that property purchase that you're looking to get? Do that and you will not regret it. Don't let fear cripple you. Don't let delay, procrastination, don't let it stop you. Go out there and get that property under your belt and start building your portfolio. All the best. Stay blessed.